Hi everyone and welcome to the absolutely gorgeous Casa Marlow. We're located just a couple of moments outside of the charming village of San José, but to be honest with you, it feels like we could be in the middle of nowhere. Green rolling hills and beautiful countryside, all that I can see around me. Not a sound in the sky and not a neighbour in sight. This really is an oasis of tranquility and calm. For the house itself, well, I don't think finca's come much prettier than this one if you ask me. Fantastic living spaces that bring the stunning views outside in through the big windows. We've got a great kitchen and 2 double ensuite bedrooms. A 3rd bedroom can be found in an apartment outside in the grounds. And it's these grounds, these gardens that really capture the imagination. Beautiful terraces, a number of seating areas and various nooks and crannies, and all the while being sympathetic and complementary to the incredible natural beauty we have all around us. For the horse lovers, you're going to really enjoy the stables and the large paddock. But if, like me, you've just fallen for the stunning beauty of this home, I think you're going to enjoy having a look around. So let's go have a look.